Hello, I am Aniket De. I recently got a job offer from Tata Consulting Service as an assistant system engineer trainee. I currently pursuing BTech degree from University of Engineering and Management. So here I was asked that how I have prepared for my placements. The basic thing is that all you have to focus on your aptitude, your reasoning, your grammar, your vocabulary, and you have to practice a lot to make these things happen. Around one and a half month training is more or less okay to appear for competitive exams. Uh, we first you have to give the TCS NQT examination, then you have to apply for the job in the next step portal, and then if after your NQT exam, if you are selected, you have to score a minimum of 1300 is should be the target out of 1800 to achieve the to get a call from the interview. So second was, how was the placement process? So regarding Tata Consultancy Service, as I have appeared for only Tata Consultancy Service, their placement process was very smooth. They uh, they sent us mail, they connected with us, and the placement process was basic. And you should always keep in mind whenever you are giving a placement, you should have the idea what you are giving in a curriculum vitae is what you should focus on. You should focus on the things, on the skills which you have in your curriculum vitae. And the second thing is, prepare a coding language for your interviewer always when you are giving a technical interview. And always talk with the interviewer like that, so that you can connect with the interviewer and grab it in your field. As I am professional in Java, so I tried to so that most of the questions comes from Java and none of the other things. So you have to keep that in mind, and you have to face the interviewer like that, so that you don't stuck on a thing particular, and you can give an answer. So after that you will get after, if your interview is good, you will definitely get the placement in such MNCs. Cracking an MNC is not at all difficult, but all you have to stay focused and do your hard work. And last thing which I was asked, that how to succeed in placement. As I have already mentioned previously, if you have to succeed in placement, you have to keep focus on what you want to achieve. And always for technical interviews, if you are an engineer, always grasp a coding skill, either Python or Java or C or C++, whatever maybe. There are numerous coding languages. Just grab it. Coding is easy, learning algorithm is easy, programming is easy, but you have to learn, you have to keep focus on that, and work upon your aptitude. And all the best to everyone.